What is up guys? Ito ang inyong chubby tito na si Chubby TV. At ngayon, napapansin nyo naman yung aking paligid. Samahan nyo ako, gawa tayong aquascape. Tara!
Let's go!
So guys, first time ko maggagawa ng aquascape. And for this reason, dalawa yung gagawin natin. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano magiging itsura nitong first. So, after ng first aquascape natin, medyo pagandahin pa natin yung isa. Tapos, isa pa, hindi ako good sa plants. Lord, pagbigyan nyo naman po ako aquascape. Mabuhay sana sila. Amen. So, hopefully mabuhay natin yung mga halaman. Kasi, as per the pet shop is low-tech plants naman daw to and madaling buhayin. So, doing a little research via YouTube and Google, ito mga natutunan ko. Ito ang setup natin. 2.5 gallon tank, which is, ang ilalagay nating fish is beta. Tapos, of course, you need aqua soil, other substrates, driftwood. Yan, may mga woods tayo, iba-iba. Tapos, bato, not the bad kind. Yari tayo kay Tatay Diggs.
My God.
Tapos, of course, your plants. And then, your tweezers. Isang straight and isang not so straight. And then, of course, scissors, aquascape glue, and konting preparation lang na ginawa natin dito is yung wood and yung ating mga bato, pinanlian natin ng kumukulong water para medyo sure tayo na walang kasamang parasites. Tapos yung aqua soil naman natin is sealed, so okay na yan. So okay, let's do this! So according to research, aquascaping is much like photography. So we have to use the rule of thirds. Pero in this setup, medyo 3-dimensional yung rule of thirds natin. Una is sa bottom or yung kung ganyan. Ganyan. So hatiin natin sa tatlo yan. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. Foreground, midground, and background. At the same manner, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag. Basta hatiin mo din sa tatlo to. Ayon sa aking pagsasaliksik, maganda daw ang aquascape pag meron kang something like dito or dito. Alright? So, yun ang tatry natin. Ngayon, magbubukas tayo ng previously opened aqua soil. So guys, konting disclaimer, hindi po ako pro mag-aquascape and this is actually my first time. So, kung meron dyan mga pro aquascapers na meron kayong comments and inputs para sa mga nanonood, please huwag kayong mahiya to put them in the comments down below para lahat tayo natututo. So, kailangan daw natin ng minimum of 3 cm para masaya yung plants natin. Pero tingin ko, unahin ko muna yung hardscape. Paano ba magusto nating itsura dito? Gigilid ko guys ha. Parang gusto ko pag ganun tayo. So, yung substrate natin is mababaw dito, going high towards here. Mababaw paakyat. Tapos I think lahat ng directions ng bato dito, kahoy dito. So pag ganon sila. Alright, game. Aqua soil. So the tank I got from Fish Tank People. Check nyo na lang yung page nila. And then substrate, aquatic plants, and everything else nakuha natin sa Podges Aquatic Pet Store. Lagay ko din yung page nila dito. Thank you guys for your support. And let's do this! So for the driftwood, pwede pag-combine dito guys. Parang puzzle. Let's try to avoid this sa front ng glass kasi yun yung madalas mong linisin. And let's try to follow yung ating lines which is pag-ganon and pag-ganon. Na natin kung babagay. Darling, I like this. I like this. So, from what I heard, huwag kayong magka-cut. It's better if you break it off para mas natural yung feeling. Tapos tayo ng aquascape glue. So, we need something solid sa ilalim para tumayo siya ng maayos. Darling, pero parang bagay siya dito. Ayun o, mas bagay nga siya, men. Bagay siya rito. Yon! Alright, lagyan natin ang aquascape glue to. Hirap pala nito. Okay. So I think I'm happy with this aquas. Nagdag lang ako ng aqua soil sa likod kasi pupunuin natin ng plants. So this is our hardscape. Linisin ko lang and I'll show it to you guys. So this is our hardscape. Now it's time to plant! Okay, so ito na yung part na ninenervous ako, guys. Kasi hahawak ako ng halaman. Lord! Nga pala guys, baka makalimutan ko, please ask your pet store kung submerged na yung plants nyo or emerged. Kasi pagka emerged, you have to cut the leaves kasi malulusaw lang sila and baka akala nyo patay na. So, you have to ask them if submerged na or hindi pa. So, isang balot ng Kypoje is 4 stems. So, why we use tongs is para mas madali mo siyang ibaon. Try and reach the flooring para hindi madaling mabunot yung plants nyo. So guys, pag ito nabuhay after 1 month, papabigay ako ng isang 2.5 gallon na naka-aquascape. So pagdasal nyo mabuhay to. Alright, this is our first scape. Tignan nyo muna yung first scape natin. So we're done with our first scape. Kamusta ba to guys? Gawin natin, kakaiba naman yung pangalawa. So this one, I'm not so sure what we're going to do. I want to use this wood so bad. Ganito. Yan, para wala siyang usad. Tapos yung bato natin dito. Alright, game. Alright, so this is our second aquascape. Yan. Took us about 10-15 minutes for both. And let me know guys in the comment section kung gusto nyo magsimula mag-aquascape. Subukan nyo mag-follow and subscribe sa ating channel para sama-sama tayo matuto kung paano mag-aquascape. So, put the comment down below guys kung ano mas nagustuhan nyo. Kung yung ating first aquascape or yung second. Thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button sa baba followed by the notification bell. And of course, please like and share. See you again guys. Happy fish keeping. Bye-bye.